everyone, we're O'Price's Hands, and we're going to teach you a lesson in the importance of not panicking and hitting the sell button if your cryptocurrencies decide to take a drop and you're using the trading bot or day trading. So let's get started. Now, before us we have two pens. Both are virtually identical. We're going to call this the PEN coin and the PEN coin. So they're the same cryptocurrency. Now, if I read a signal that says the PEN coin is currently at 20 cents and it's going to go up in value, I'm going to buy it at 20 cents. But now, let's imagine if this pen, this token, all of a sudden drops down to 5 cents. Uh-oh, now we're down 15 cents, right? No, you're wrong. Here's what you could potentially do. If you read the chart that this pen's going to recover, it might not recover to 20 cents, but you could see it potentially recovering to 15 cents. Then what you could do is buy another pen at the 5-cent charge. So then now you have two pens that you spent 25 cents on. It's great. So that's awesome. So we're going to write that down. We have two pens at 25 cents a piece. And that's probably upside down for you, but that's okay. So what we're now going to do is we're going to average out 25 cents, and that's going to be 12.5 cents. And that's going to be the average cost for these two pens. So theoretically, now what we can do, if these pen prices get up to 15 cents, we could sell both of those pens for 15 cents a pop, and we could be in the profit of 30 cents, making ourselves 5 whole cents.
Nerdy dude stuff.
What's going on, guys? I'm O'Price, and welcome to another video about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Crypto Hopper, and all that good stuff. I wanted to start today's video off by saying thank you very much for following and subscribing and watching and commenting and liking and all that stuff on my channel. We've reached 1,500 views today, and that's huge for me. Now, personally, I enjoy doing these videos, not necessarily for the monetary gain and to become YouTube famous and to be an awesome web personality like I am, but I am in the crypto space, and I don't claim to be a genius or know everything, but I like to report on things that I find, things that I'm doing, investments that I'm making. You know, the big flavor of the month that I've been talking about is Crypto Hopper, and I'm learning something new every single day. And I like doing these videos because I'm not just learning something new from my research, I'm learning something new from comments that you guys post. Today's topic is, again, going to be about Crypto Hopper, and this is a topic that came as a comment to me yesterday about better selling and buying strategies that I literally thought of 2 seconds before I checked my email to see this comment. So I thought it was pretty neat that I read the comment and thought of the idea at the same time. And then this subscriber and this commenter opened up my eyes to more settings that I'm learning and discovering every single day. So without further ado, let's take a look at today's market and get right into it.
Today's market has seen a nice climb from yesterday. We're sitting at 9.294K Bitcoin, 9,294 Bitcoin. I don't know why I said it that way. We are on a steady march to 10,000 to get over into 5 figures again, which is making us very happy, especially if we've kept faith in Bitcoin. We were able to purchase at around 6,000 or 7,000. These are some fantastic numbers to see. 17 million Bitcoin in supply, so that number constantly goes up. As we know, I think there's like 22 million. That's going to be max. Market cap, we are marching our way back up to 500 billion as well. We're at 421 billion, almost about to be 422 billion, so that's great to see. And Bitcoin dominance is dropping a little bit to 37.5%. That means all these altcoins are doing their work, which is good to see. EOS up 20%. Nothing really in the red except Monero. So it's a very healthy, very stable market, and you can see that as Bitcoin's continuing to rise, a lot of the coins are taking a very similar pattern where they had, you know, a big nice rise and then a big drop, and now they're kind of rising back up, which is great to see. Litecoin hanging out at 151. Anyway, moving on, a couple other coins I want to take a look at, especially in relevance to today's video. Bitcoin Cash, where are we at? 1,397. We'll talk about that here in a moment. I'm waiting for that to rise back up. And then Bitcoin Diamond I need to take a look at while I have you guys here before we get into the topic. So Bitcoin Diamond is up 26.42% in 24 hours. It's at $6.39. I really need this coin to go up on a rise, and we're going to show you here in just a moment. All right,
So with that said, based off the stupid example I gave with the nickels and the pens in the very beginning, we're going to look back into Crypto Hopper. And this is something that I wish I would have known. I've only been in Crypto Hopper about a month, and I wish I would have known this before hitting the oh shit button a few times and selling off on Bitcoins and taking a loss, especially with the Encash debacle dropping down to 15%, until one of my subscribers left that comment for me, and I literally thought it at the same time. He probably left the comment before I read it, before I thought of the idea, so thank you very much for that comment, and we're going to use that example today. So, as you recall in one of my previous videos, I might have been down about 10% on Bitcoin Cash, right? And now I'm down at 2.27% because Bitcoin Cash really hasn't jumped up that crazy to catch up to when I was down 10%. What I've actually been doing is manually buying Bitcoin Cash as it's been lower. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to buy some Bitcoin Diamond to hopefully get our losses a lot closer to under 10% as opposed to this negative 14%. That's why I have buying disabled right now, because I have Bitcoin. I want to use the Bitcoin that I have right now. We're going to lock it up, and we're going to hit refresh as well. We're going to lock it up to get Bitcoin Diamond a lot closer to where it needs to be. So that's why we're in that position at the moment, just for this example. So we're looking at the Bitcoin Cash, and just like in my penny example, or my nickel example, let's say I started with Bitcoin Cash at 20 cents a token, and then it dropped down to 5 cents a token. So then I went and I immediately purchased, I manually purchased more tokens at 5% to bring this percentage closer to 5 to negative 5, negative 6%. And then this morning when I looked at it, Bitcoin Cash was, the bot actually purchased Bitcoin Cash, and I was at a 1.7% profit, but I didn't want to take the profit on that, so I merged it into this into this position, so that way I would be even closer to breaking even and earning a profit. Now, if we go into configurations, there is a manual setting for this. I believe it's called DCA, so let me see if I can find it real quick. Dollar cost averaging. Let's read that. The DCA option tells the hopper to buy more of a loss-making coin. It will triple your holding to try to trade out of the loss. This is a high-risk option, so use with care. Check the documentation for more info. Now, with it being a high risk, obviously there has been people that have lost. There's been people that have been gained, but it looks like that this doesn't work out as much as people let it go on automatic. So if you want to set it, it's in the configuration. It's down towards the bottom a little bit. That's the way to go. You also want to look into having more positions in coins open instead of having only one open buy. Well, no, not one open buy order per coin, but where's my setting? Max open positions, and then max open percentage, open positions per coin. You want to look at those settings to make sure that you're allowing the bot to buy coins at a lower value to try to bring your loss up. So I would recommend doing it manually like I'm going to do right now, and you'll see here, we're going to scroll down so my head's not in the way, but you go down to the manual buy order, and then you select the coin, and we're going to type in BCD, and we're going to see what it's currently at. It's currently at 0.0033. We bought it at, I don't want to have to, show me info. We bought it at, where is it? 0.00388. So what we're going to do is we are going to lower this to 1% profit, save that, just so that way if I'm not paying attention and there's a rise in Bitcoin Diamond, it'll sell off. So we are going to buy 0.01234, the minimum amount that I have set in the settings. It's all automatically placed. We're going to be buying 3 tokens, 3.729 tokens of that. We're going to place that buy order. We are going to confirm. We are going to hit OK. And we are going to wait a couple of minutes because now we have an open position right here. And we're just going to hit refresh to see if that has gone through. And it has not yet. And so we'll be back as soon as that purchases. All right, so it looks like the purchase has gone through on Bitcoin Diamond. So now what we're going to do is we are going to select, look at, we're at negative 14.9% loss and negative 0.21% because we just bought it and it was going down or whatever. So we're going to select, and then we are going to bulk action, and we are going to merge the positions. Are you sure? Are you sure you want to merge the selected positions? This will remove profit tracking and buy trigger data on the selected position. That's fine. We're going to merge the positions, and we are going to refresh. Now, look, we are only down negative 9.62% because of the merged holdings. We combined 14% with 0.0 0.21%. So it looks like it's going to be a lot easier to recover, and this is a way that you can manually recover your losses as opposed of just taking a loss and selling your bag. Because it's cryptocurrency, the coins are going to go up. This just makes it a lot easier. So if I bought Bitcoin Diamond at 20 cents a token, and now I just bought it at 5 cents a token, that average between two tokens would be 12.5 cents. It's easier to sell at 15 cents versus trying to hope it goes back up to 20 cents, if you catch my drift. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, I know it's a little confusing. It took me a month to realize that I could do this. A couple commenters said they left some Bitcoin in reserve so that way they can do this option as well to recover their bag losses as opposed to just selling off at a loss. And it looks like even with that transaction, it has brought us down to only a loss of 106,000 Satoshis. I'm down 1%. I've lost 1% in my positions versus losing that 15%, which is awesome. So leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. Thank you very much. I want to say thank you to everyone that's watching for being 1,500 subscribers. You guys are really, I appreciate the support and the love that you show. I never thought my channel would be where it is today, and I just enjoy doing this content for you as much as I can. So thanks for your patience. Thanks for putting up with me when I go to work. Sign up for Crypto Hopper in the link down below. Join my Discord. Follow me on Twitter. All that good stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm Mo Price. We'll see you guys next time.